Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will be talking about growing this beautiful plant called Plumbago. This is Plumbago auriculata or K. Plumbago. This is a perennial shrub plant that comes from South Africa. This plant is also called sky flower because it has beautiful pale sky blue colored flowers that bloom a lot and just fills the entire plant. In Hindi, this plant is called Neel Chitrak, and in Bangla they are called Neel Chita. This is an evergreen plant that flowers pretty much all year round. This is a great plant if you are looking for a plant that will flower throughout the year with very low maintenance. Plumbago is very tolerant of heat and drought, so if you live in a hot climate, this is a great plant for you. They even bloom very well during the monsoon season. This plant has small leaves and they grow quite fast and get bushy. In the ground, they can grow more than 6 feet tall. The flowers look a bit like phlox flowers that we grow during the winter season. This light blue color is very rare in our region. I had it in a very small 5-inch container and this plant bloomed so well. They're perfect for growing in containers. Now I have repotted it in an 8-inch container and you can see there's so much bloom. You can choose a 10-inch container for your plant so they can grow big and bushy. To grow them, you need to plant them in a sunny area because they need minimum 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight to flower well. If you grow them in shade, they will not flower very much, so a sunny location is better. This plant don't need a highly rich soil to grow well. They will do very well if the soil is well draining and moderately fertile. For the potting mix, I took plain well draining garden soil, 30% compost, 2 tablespoons of neem cake powder and some bone meal. Moderate fertilizing throughout the year will be fine for these plants. Every 2 months, you can add 1 to 2 tablespoons of bone meal, and as weekly fertilizer, add any organic liquid fertilizer like mustard cake or banana peel fertilizer. At the beginning of spring season, add some compost to boost growth and that will be enough. You don't need to add any fertilizer during the winter months. Plumbagos are quite drought tolerant. You should water them properly when you see the soil is getting dry. Don't overwater them too much. Have good drainage holes in the container so the roots don't get damaged during the monsoon season. These plants don't get much pest problems. I did not see any pest in my plants, but if you see any kind of pest, apply organic pesticides. When the flowers are done blooming, you can prune them back. It will keep your plant clean and disease-free. You can also take cuttings from the plant and grow new plants very easily. I enjoy growing this plant very much. They're extremely low maintenance and they reward you with such a unique flush of colors. So grow them and let me know what you think about this plant in the comment section. Don't forget to like and subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye!